1979 Plymouth Volare Custom. We now have the crankshaft out of the block. I did some cleaning on the oil pan. I'm doing some cleaning here. Got that looking pretty good. Having a little trouble getting gaskets off. They're still there, still some there, but I'm working on it. This gasket ain't coming off too easy. Alright, I used a puller on the harmonic balancer, or they call it the vibration damper, and I used a 3/4 socket on the DeWalt impact to take that off. Wow. Still looking for a grill, but I may choose an aftermarket product, like billet aluminum centerpiece for that, and do some careful cutting. You know, cut this out here, nice and smooth, and over here, and then put a piece in, you know, from here across there. But even with an aftermarket part, it's gonna have to take a little shaping or something like that, or maybe I'll just make one. So that could be the easiest solution, is just to make a piece that goes in there. It wouldn't be that difficult. You could use like the 18 gauge steel. Yeah, we could use something like this and make one. It wouldn't be that hard. So I have good cutting tools and stuff like that to do something like that. Drill press, cutting tools. So it's feasible that one could be built. Just, you know, make it out of the sheet metal there and paint it and put it on. So that's it for today, and this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.